Hi, 7th graders. I want to give you a quick tutorial of how to do these surface area problems. So I'm going to work through it. The instructions say find the surface area of each rectangular prism. These are the whole pages. This first one is done for you on the assignment as well, but I thought people might be confused. So here's how it works. Remember that this is area, and area is in units squared. So whatever the units are, they're going to be squared. In this case, they're yards. So I'll just write that down here. Yards squared. So now we have to find the area of all 6 faces of this thing. So there's this face right here, this one, the one on the top and the bottom, the side that you can't see back there, and this one over here. And you see the numbers to give you the dimensions. So for example, this face right here, that one, is the area is always length times width. So 7 times 11. But this face is also exactly like the one that's back here that you can't see. So we're going to multiply that times 2. And that'll give us, what, 7 times 11 is 77. And then I've got my calculator here. 77 times 2 is 154. So 154 yards squared, and that's this face, but it's also the face over here on the back. So that's the first number that we need. Then we also have to find this one and this one, the side guys. Remember that if this is 7, this is also 7 right here. Boom. And then this is also 2. And so that means that this part right here is 14 square yards, but then there's 2 of them. So we'll say times 2, and that gives us 28 yards squared. And so that's for this side over here and also this side. I should probably be changing colors right now, shouldn't I? So anyway, this side and that side and this side and this side. Now we just have to do the top and the bottom. So the top up here is 11, and that one's 2, remember, because those 2 are the same. So this top part is going to be 2 times 11 times 2 again, because there's a top and a bottom. And so that's going to give us 4 times 11, which is 44 yards squared. Then we're going to take all those and add them up. So let's see what's going to show up on here. Let's try this one. So we're going to take, oh, what happened to this highlighter? Weird. There's 44 yards squared plus 28 yards squared plus 154 yards squared. That highlighter is ruined. Yikes. Okay. So I'll put that down here. 44 plus 154. 44 plus 154 plus, what was the other one? 28. And you put that all together. Plus 154 plus 28. And you get 226 yards squared. So remember, this is a video, so you can replay it or watch it as many times as you want to. But essentially, you have to find the area of this one. And since there's 2 of them, we multiply times 2. We find the area of this one. And since there's 2 of them, we multiply times 2. And the top and the bottom. And since there's 2 of them, we multiply times 2. 154 plus 28 plus 44 gives you 226 yards squared. And that is the surface area of this rectangular prism. Okay.